Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open the process by starting a private browser window. This isolates cookies and local storage so YouTube won't link activity to your profile. Once the window appears, go directly to YouTube. Calm and do not sign in. Make sure browser syncing is off. Signing in defeats incognito. This step is the core protection. The private session keeps history, cookies, and cache temporary. When you close it, that data is discarded. Now manage the middle step so nothing leaks. You must avoid signing in during the private session. Signing in ties activity to your account. Disable extensions that could leak data, like sync or tracking add-ons, because they can persist identifiers. If you need to use your account, use a different browser profile or exit incognito first. Also make sure location, saved passwords, and autofill prompts are turned off for this session to keep things isolated. To complete the process, close every private window and tab. This deletes cookies, site data, and short-term caches for that session. Before you finish, visually confirm the private mode icon or banner so you know you were protected. If you ever see account-linked history or recommendations afterward, make sure you hadn't signed in, clear cookies, and repeat in a fresh private window. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, use a different browser or disable suspect extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.